Hi everyone, Leslie here. Today's episode is about pollinators. Do you hear the bees buzzing? We need them in the garden. So these fragrant blooms will turn into juicy lemons. These beautiful spring blossoms will turn into the yummiest peaches. And these white flowers will become sweet and delicious blueberries. Without pollinators, there won't be tomatoes. These white flowers will just fall and won't turn into beans. You see, vegetables, berries, and fruits need pollinators. They move the pollen from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma, or from one plant to the other plant. Bees are the most important pollinators. A third of our global food supply are pollinated by the bees. Without them, we won't have much food on our plates, and they are disappearing at an alarming rate because of insecticides and pesticides. So it's very important that we grow organic. And if ever you need to spray organic like neem oil, make sure you don't do it directly into the flowers. And do it in the late evening or at night when bees are not foraging. This is bok choy that has bolted. When soil gets warm, plants tend to bolt. They send flower stalks and focus all their energy in producing seeds. It's a survival mode to make sure they produce the next generation through their seeds. And once plants start to bolt, they stop producing foliage. When our plants bolt, we don't usually uproot them. We leave them a little longer because bees love them. Bees love flowers like lavender, fennel, borage, cactus, deal, and bright colored flowers. Try to grow them in your garden. Butterflies are also great pollinators. We have a milkweed where monarch butterflies lay their eggs. These are caterpillars of a monarch butterfly. They eat and eat and eat, then they stop and start to spin a silky cocoon into a chrysalis. Then one by one, they emerge into beautiful butterflies. We also need useful insects in our garden like ladybugs. They prey on aphids and other harmful insects like scale, which can destroy citrus trees. Birds like hummingbirds are also great pollinators. I always see hummingbirds in our garden. They love to visit the salvia, commonly known as Mexican bush sage. I also see them in this fountain, but it's very hard to photograph them because they move so fast. I like to see birds in our garden because they eat the worms that are chewing on our flowers and salad greens. I also love to hear them sing their morning songs. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.